Hello everyone, and welcome to Harvex Geosolutions. This video is for every marginal field operator looking at exploiting and tapping the potential of their blocks. It will be tailored to the role of fault analysis in unlocking and de-risking your prospect's hydrocarbon potential. At Harvex Geosolutions, we bring much needed expertise in fault analysis, backed by years of experience and a proven track record with over 10 successful projects in the Niger Delta Basin. We've developed a deep understanding of fault behavior and its implications for hydrocarbon exploration. Marginal field operators face unique challenges. Operating smaller or previously overlooked fields means there's no room for error. You must make rapid, informed decisions about your assets to remain competitive. That's why it's crucial to de-risk your prospects early and effectively. By immediately progressing to advanced subsurface studies like fault analysis, you can significantly reduce uncertainty, ensure accurate prospect evaluation, and optimize the economic viability of your field. Let's explore how this works.
First is the need for fault framework and architecture studies. Understanding the fault systems within your asset is foundational to de-risking. A fault framework study focuses on identifying and characterizing faults, their orientation, length and flow ratio, and the overall geometry. A log length flow ratio plot is generated and commonly used to analyze faults over various scales, both regional and prospect scale. Families of faults can be defined based on groupings around the length and flow ratios. These insights are essential because faults can act as barriers or conduits for hydrocarbon migration. Without this knowledge, you risk either overestimating or underestimating yourselves. Next is the regional seal and trapping calibration study. Once the fault framework is established, the next critical step is conducting a regional seal and trapping calibration study. This involves analyzing the sealing and trapping mechanisms within the study area, including the top seal thicknesses, which is the physical barriers that prevent hydrocarbon from migrating further. Another mechanism is the fascist type. The seal's geological characteristics, such as shale or evaporite, influence its effectiveness. Lastly, structural or stratigraphic trapping mechanisms. This study focuses on your assets and extends regionally to identify hydrocarbon discoveries. By conducting a regional calibration analysis, field contact can be explained via the juxtaposition between reservoirs seen from our maps and the existing trapping mechanisms of discoveries within the region. These insights are pivotal for validating seal integrity and assessing whether hydrocarbons will likely remain trapped over geological time.
Lastly, we apply these learnings to our prospect evaluation studies. The value of these studies becomes clear when applied to prospect evaluation. The learnings from the regional seal and trapping calibration study provide actionable insights that can refine prospect mapping, that is, pinpoint the most promising areas within your field, assess risk, quantify the likelihood of hydrocarbon leakage or migration, and as well support decision making, enabling faster, more confident go or no-go decisions on exploration and development. By integrating these insights, marginal field operators can maximize their chances of successful hydrocarbon discoveries while minimizing exploration risk. Fault analysis is not just a technical exercise. It's a strategic tool for de-risking your investment and ensuring the long-term success of your asset. However, keep this in mind. An ideal candidate for fault analysis is a prospect where the deepest closing contour or speed point is fault dependent, meaning the trap relies on a fault to retain hydrocarbons. This can be identified on the surface map where the structural closure is controlled by one or more faults. In contrast, a less suitable candidate is a prospect where the spill point is independent of faults, such as a four-way structural closure, which does not require fault sealing for hydrocarbon retention. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video on forcing analysis for marginal feed operators. If you are ready to unlock the true potential of your field, start with the right studies. Remember, fault framework study, and then your regional seal and trapping calibration. Finally, to your prospect evaluation study. These studies in a sequential order, as we've explained in this video, are key to the success of your assets.
Thank you for watching. For more details or to collaborate with Apex Geo Solutions for your next project, feel free to connect with us through the links below. To stay informed with the latest industry insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.